Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Bhagyashree Classes. Today we will know about that how to rounding off numbers, right? That we generally do when we estimate the value of something. So that is rounding off is one of the way to estimate the value of something. Fine. So now we will as we know that we can round off nearest any place. It means we can round off nearest tens, we can round off nearest 100, it can be nearest 1000, it can be nearest 10,000, it can be nearest lakh, and so on, right? So to round off number nearest any place, we just keep in our mind two basic rules. Okay, so that will be same for all the places like nearest which we are rounding off. So let's see the rules. First is, look at the digit that is right or before the place nearest which we are rounding off. Okay, so let us understand this by taking one example. So first I am taking example where I am rounding off nearest tens. Fine. So here it is rounding off nearest tens. Okay, so the example is, suppose I am taking 268. Okay, now as you know, this is ones place, tens and 100. Fine. Now what is the first rule? Look at your first rule, that look at the digit that is right or before to the place nearest which we are rounding off. Fine. यहाँ पे हम किसके nearest round off कर रहे हैं? Nearest tens. Okay. So as per the rule हमें कौन सा place देखना है? टेंस से पहले, बिकॉज यहाँ पे हम नियरेस्ट टेंस राउंड ऑफ कर रहे हैं. सो नियरेस्ट विच प्लेस वी आर राउंडिंग, हमें सिर्फ उसके पहले वाला प्लेस, और वी कैन से द प्लेस दैट इज जस्ट राइट हैंड साइड टू इट, उस प्लेस को देखना है. ओके, सो टेंस के राइट हैंड साइड विच प्लेस इज दिस? वंस. ओके, और वी कैन से द प्लेस दैट कम्स जस्ट बिफोर it, the place that comes just before the tens place, ones. Fine. So now we can see this digit. Now we will see this digit. This is 8. This is the first rule. हमने digit देख ली. कौन से place को देखना है? जिस भी place के nearest round off करना है उससे just before, just पहले वाला. Fine. Now second rule. Come on to the second rule. If that digit जिसको हमें देखना है, if that digit is less than 5 or 5 or more than 5, two rules है यहाँ पे. less than 5, ये digit यहाँ पे जिस भी यहाँ पे, because we are rounding of nearest tens, तो we will see ones place, right? So it is less than 5 or 5 or more than 5. We can see it is more than 5, right? So what we will do if the digit is more than 5 or 5, and what we will do if it is less than 5. So here it is more than 5. So what we will do, if 5 or more than 5, it means the number is among any of the digit 5, 6, 7, 8 or 9, then the digit on place nearest which we are rounding off will increased by 1. It means हम tens के nearest round off कर रहे हैं, तो जिस भी place के nearest round off कर रहे हैं, that will be increased by 1. It means here it is 6, so 6 plus 1 is 7, right? tens के nearest round off कर रहे हैं, तो वो digit क्या होगा? 1 से increase हो जाएगा. Fine. जिस भी के nearest round off कर रहे हैं, that will be increased by 1 if the digit to which we are looking, that is 5 or more than 5. So here it is 7, right? Now the digit that is right hand side to it, or it means the place that are right hand side to the place nearest which we are rounding off, that will become 0. So this 8 will become 0. It means अब यहाँ पे tens के जितने भी right hand side में numbers होंगे, that will be 0, और left hand side में जितने भी numbers होंगे, that will remain same. So here 2 will remain same as 2. It is 270. So we can say that 268 will be rounding off nearest tens. The answer will be 270. Fine. Now see one. Let us take some another digit here. Suppose here it is 4. Okay, same we are rounding of nearest tens. क्या करना है, जो भी 10 से पहले प्लेस है उससे देखना है. So 10 से पहले which place is this? Ones, right? Now we can see it is less than 5. First rule. In the B part, first rule, that if the digit to which we are looking that is less than 5, it means out of 0, 1, 2, 3 or 4, इनमें से कोई भी digit है, then what we will do? The place, right? The place nearest which we are rounding that will remain same. It means tens के nearest round off करना है, तो tens will remain same. 6 will be as 6, right? अगर 5 या 5 से ज़्यादा होगा तभी उस प्लेस में 1 ऐड करना है जिसके नियरेस्ट राउंड ऑफ कर रहे हैं. अदरवाइज वी विल नॉट इंक्रीज एनीथिंग, दैट विल रिमेन सेम. सो 6 विल बी एज 6. नाउ द रेस्ट इज सेम. रेस्ट विल बी सेम कि जो भी डिजिट राइट हैंड साइड में होगी वो 0 में चेंज हो जाएगी और लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में उस प्लेस की होगी दैट विल रिमेन एज इट इज. सो 2 विल रिमेन एज इट इज 260. So it means 264 will be rounding off, will be round off nearest tens as 260. Is it clear? Fine. Now let us take one more example and it will be rounding of suppose nearest 1000. Fine. So here we are rounding nearest 1000. Rule is same, right? Now just let us take one example. It can be 3, 6, 4, 2, 1. Fine. Now as per the rule, now just ones place, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. किसके नियरेस्ट राउंड ऑफ करना है? 1000 के नियरेस्ट. फाइन. व्हाट इज द रूल? कि जिसके नियरेस्ट राउंड ऑफ करना है, जिस प्लेस के नियरेस्ट, यू हैव टू लुक एट द प्लेस दैट इज जस्ट राइट टू इट, जस्ट राइट और जस्ट बिफोर टू इट वी कैन से. सो 1000 से जस्ट बिफोर कौन सा प्लेस है? 100. फाइन. सो इट मीन्स यहाँ पे हमें किस प्लेस को देखना है? दिस प्लेस दैट इज 100. फाइन. विच नंबर इज देयर? 4. सो इट मीन्स इट इज लेस देन 5. इट इज लेस देन 5. सो इफ इट इज लेस देन 5, सो व्हाट इज द रूल? Then the digit on the place nearest which we are rounding remain same. What does it mean? किसको राउंड ऑफ कर रहे हैं? 1000 को. तो अगर जिस प्लेस को हम देख रहे हैं उस पर जो डिजिट है वो लेस देन 5 है, सो द प्लेस नियरेस्ट विच वी आर राउंडिंग ऑफ 1000 के नियरेस्ट राउंड ऑफ कर रहे हैं, दैट विल रिमेन सेम, दैट विल नॉट इंक्रीज बाय 1. 6 will remain 6, right? Now next rule is same, that all the digits that are right hand side to the place 1000 here, that will be changed into 0. Fine. And the numbers or digits that are left hand side to the place nearest which we are rounding, that will be remain as it is. So 36,421 will be rounding off nearest 1000 as 36,000. Is it clear? Now just change the digits. Suppose here it is 5. This is 5. Or we can say any number, 8 or 1, it can be 1, right? So the number is 36,528. Same we have to round off nearest 1000. So 1000 के nearest, so 1000 से पहले वाला place, which place is this? 100, right? Now look at that digit 5. So rule second, if 5 or more than 5, ये अगर 5 या 5 से ज़्यादा है तो same. Fine. Same rule. What? The place nearest which we are rounding off, किसके nearest round off कर रहे हैं? 1000 के nearest. So the place nearest which we are rounding off, that will be increased by 1. So 6 will be increased by 1. It means 6 plus 1, 7. Okay. Now all the digits that are now remaining left as it's in right hand side. अब जितनी भी digits बची हैं इसकी right hand side में, that will be changed into 0. 5 change into 0, 2 will change into 0 and 8 will change into 0. And the digits that are left hand side to it, Fine, that will remain as it is. So 3 will remain as it is, 3. So the answer is 37,000. Right? Now we'll take one more example. Suppose now we are rounding off nearest 10,000. Right? We can take any number. So the number if I am taking here 2, 4, 6, 9, 2, 1. Fine. Okay. So ones, tens, 100. This is 1000. This is 10,000 and this is lakh. Again, rule is same. Look, nearest which we have to round off 10,000. Right? This keep in your mind. 10,000 के nearest round off करना है. Now you have to look at the place that is just before 10,000 or just right hand side to 10,000. So 10,000 से पहले कौन सा place है? 1000. Okay. Now look this place that is 1000 and look at the digit that is on this place. Here it is 1000. It is more than 5. You can see it. If it is 5 or more than 5, right? We can see it is 6 which is more than 5, or if it is 5 then the rule is same. So what we will do? The place nearest which we are rounding off, 10,000 के nearest round off कर रहे हैं, that will be increased by 1. So 10,000 पे 4 है, so 4 will increase by 1, it will be 5, right? Now the digits that are remaining or that are remaining left to its right hand side, अब जितनी भी digits बची है इसके right hand side में, that will be changed into 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 0, right? And the digits that are remaining its left hand side, that will remain as it is. So the answer will be your, this is 2,50,000, right? So that is your, we are rounding the 2,46,921. If we round off this number nearest 10,000, so the answer will be 2,50,000. Fine. So simple, in this way we can round off. Okay, so keep these rules in your mind. So I think it will help you, and thank you for watching my video, and please like and subscribe the channel for more such videos. Thank you.